Piece of beag den an paddy daddy agus mas féidir live Carúlo mar seo bheag sin class. Check. Check. Okay. Go leiscéil sin slide on. Tá me go percua egur dúin caidan. Tá an Colleen Dasach níl she my don. She ag brag grime when she's hearing my song. My cúpla focal. Hop in the van and buckle up the buckle. Ná bí a kaint an ravléis. Lín siad an cáthair sús le pubble. Cúpla session, cúpla córa, cúpla can. Glach sé leis an ganja sé a mahan buco man. No me ag sugar man, but I feel like Superman. Now when I say Paddy, you say Daddy. Paddy, Paddy. When I say Daddy, you say Paddy. Daddy, Daddy. When I say Paddy, Paddy, you say Daddy, Daddy. Paddy, Paddy. When I say Daddy, Daddy, you say Paddy, Paddy. Daddy, Daddy. But what's the crack now? I've been going hard since a lad on SmackDown. All the ladies in the rave ask about the background. I was locked in to that radio like pirate. Ryanair flight on the pilot. Self-deprecate when I'm feeling really Irish. Chatting up a girl and her name was Eilish. I can see it rotating both my eyelids. But what's the crack then? I've been going hard since I got her back when. What's the crack then? Cause I could turn this rave to a fucking crack den. Now when I say Paddy, you say Daddy. Paddy, Paddy. When I say Daddy, you say Paddy. Daddy, Daddy. When I say Paddy, Paddy, you say Daddy, Daddy. Paddy, Paddy. When I say Daddy, Daddy, you say Paddy, Paddy. Daddy, Daddy. You're me and Margaret McCarty, that was Paddy Daddy.